and Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Los Animas County in southeastern Colorado until 6 p.m. At 5:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles southwest of Kim, or 26 miles northeast of Des Moines, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Los Animas County south of Highway 160 near the Colorado-New Mexico border. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.